Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we will talk about how to add your Instagram profile picture. So you have to copy the same steps that I will perform in this video and that will be helpful to you. So just first of all open your Instagram. Now just wait it to load. Now go to your profile. As you can see that there is a camera sign on the profile. Just click on the sign and now you will be directed to your files where you can upload a file and you can also drag the file. So just search the name of the file that you have saved and just click on the file and it will be uploaded. And as you can see that the file has been uploaded and the profile picture has also been updated. So you can also copy the same steps to update your profile picture and to add your profile picture. So that's it for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.